The theories are developed by the help of natural processes, not the natural processes are working by the help of theories. Okay, learn the Kaplan turbine by the help of simple kitchen faucet. Okay, learn the psychometry. This is a concept of refrigeration air conditioning by the help of thirsty air analogy. Okay, and learn the mathematics behind working of a fin. First, learn the basic maths and then learn how a fin works. Fin, which is applied for enhancing the heat transfer rate. Learn the gas turbine by the help of simple motorcycle exhaust. Okay, and learn the centrifugal pump by the help of stirring water in a tumbler, developing of centrifugal force. Okay, so viewers, welcome to my channel. This channel is particularly for developing easy to understand mechanical engineering concepts by the help of simple analogies, daily life analogies. Okay, this is the trust of 38K subscribers and so many views are there. Okay, so actually what I do is I develop lectures on mechanical engineering, and again I am telling you that those lectures are demonstrated by the help of simple analogies. Okay, and again the lectures are short in duration compared to that of in case you are using AI, artificial intelligence, or other methods of learning. In smaller amount of time you will learn the entire concept. Okay, and for these students the videos are helpful, you can see. So I request you kindly subscribe my channel to gain knowledge of mechanical engineering by the help of simple analogies, simple concepts. Thank you.